show how to draw BT21 Chimmy Dabbin. So now let's start this. Ready, go!
Step 1. Draw Chimmy's head first. Do you know what does BT21 mean? It means BTS plus 21st century. The story of BT21 takes place in the far-away universe. There is a Princess TATA from the planet BT. He is very curious about everything. He often travels with the BT's guardian robot, Van. Step 2. Draw Chimmy's dabbing arm. Once, when Tata and Van were traveling, they landed on Earth. In order to spread love, Tata and Van wanted to become superstars. Later, they met 6 lovely members: KOYA, RJ, SHOOKY, MANG, CHIMMY and COOKY to form the Stars of the Universe BT21. Can BT21 really become a universe star? I think it can. Today we are painting Chimmy. The puppy Chimmy has always been full of enthusiasm and vigor and will go all out in everything he does. But do you know the puppy Chimmy had a miserable life experience when he was young? Step 3. Draw Chimmy's body and dabbing legs. Chimmy, the puppy, was abandoned on the road on a cold winter day. It has no friends. All it has is a torn cardboard box with its name on it and a harmonica. Whenever Chimmy feels lonely, Chimmy will play the harmonica. As time goes by, nothing has changed. He plays the harmonica, but it was never being appreciated by others. Step 4. Draw Chimmy's eyes and mouth with tongue. Chimmy very much hopes that someone can listen to its harmonica performance. But its audience is always just park benches, 3 or 4 balloons, dirty teddy bears in trash cans, discarded paint buckets and cans. This has never changed. Step 5. Tracing the outline and fill black ink for his ears. Until one day, Christmas came, when Chimmy made a lot of snowmen on the rooftop. Chimmy ran around the snowman and played the harmonica. But after all, no one wanted to be friends with it. When the lonely Chimmy could only sit on the roof alone and play the harmonica, suddenly Tata came to him. When his friends listened to his play and gave him applause, it was the first time that Chimmy knew the meaning of together. Step 6. Fill yellow color in outline. You can fill with whatever color you feel like and put the makeup on his face. Also add background if you like. Do you think my Chimmy's drawing is cool?
finished. Did you like it? Real Dougie. Hi, Emma. We already finished this. Chimmy Dabbin. BT21. Chimmy, Chimmy.